In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and control reposts on Instagram. Instagram doesn't currently offer a single switch to hide every repost from your profile or feed, but you still have solid options. You can clean up individual reposts you've shared, and you can stop people from reposting your own posts and reels going forward. I'll walk you through both, plus a privacy setting that gives you broader control. First, let's remove individual reposts. Open your profile and look for the Repost tab. It sits alongside your main grid and Reels, and it's separate so you can manage reposts without touching your original content. Inside that tab, tap Select. Choose the repost you no longer want displayed and tap Remove. If you prefer, you can also long press a repost and swipe to delete repost. Don't worry, this only clears the repost from your profile's Repost tab. It doesn't delete the original creator's post, and it doesn't affect anything in your main grid. Next, prevent others from reposting your content. From your profile, tap the menu, the three lines in the top corner, and open Sharing and Reuse. Depending on your app version, you might see it under Settings and Privacy, then Sharing. Find Allow people to share your content and toggle off reposts on posts and reels. Once you do this, the circular repost button disappears on your posts and reels for other users, which means they can't repost them. This change applies going forward. It won't automatically remove reposts that already happened. So use the Repost tab cleanup for anything that's already out there. If you want even tighter control, consider switching to a private account. Go to your profile, open the menu, tap Settings and Privacy, then Account Privacy, and toggle Private Account on. When your account is private, only approved followers can see your posts and any reposts of them. This is a straightforward way to limit visibility without changing each individual post. You can still approve or remove followers at any time, and this setting doesn't delete your content. It simply controls who can view it. A quick tip: Instagram's labels sometimes vary by region and app version, so if you don't see the exact wording mentioned here, look for similar options in Sharing, Privacy, or Reuse. Updating the app can also help new controls appear. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.